Hi guys, so we're crossing the bridge. Oh my god, there's no bidet. Unsa ko kay pag-ilo? It's so expensive. Nag-borrow ko ani 3,250. Oh my god, mabuang ako kay we only have 30 minutes na to prepare, no? Hi guys, pula kay kog mata.
Wala ang naasa ka makabalan.
Mount Pilatus. To the left-hand side, Mount Rigi and the Lake of Lucerne. Is directly there behind this famous Hofkirche. The shopping malls, they close around 9-10 o'clock.
Here's our hotel. So we arrive Astoria Boris Harold. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm walking in the streets of Switzerland. Where's mine? I believe mine is in the Picas. Yes, I got my luggage. My snacks! I cannot believe we're here. Oh, okay. Oh, and hi, Chaz. Include me. Hi, Sal. I know it's been. Ay, basta na someone's inside.
Check. You check the ano,
Go,
the
kindly.
room number.
Ay, the room na, the room number. Ah. Yung ano kabugat ba kay Aning bags? Ah, sa dapit. 1113. Miss Lois, can you help me?
What? Pwede rin eh, wait.
Ay, pwede na di ay.
Dito sa baba.
It's cold! Okay. It's so high! Oh my gosh! OMG! I like it! I like it. I love it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, the view is very perfectly imperfect. Wow, room tour. Oh my god, there's no bidet. Unsa ko kay pag-ilo? Cutie kaayo. Hi, Charles. My roomie.
Nagtangag ng charger.
Lagi kay ka-charger yun. Wala ma-charge. It's so expensive. Nag-borrow ko ani 3,250 na ning duha. Laban. So, ibalik na nila ang kwarta. Kung ibalik na ko ni so dapat dili gini mawala. My gosh. Let's check. Wow, perfect. Actually, I tried looking for this one in Cagayan, but I didn't find anything. My God, my MacBook is so low. Oy. Actually, naipit na kayo ni siya. Hi guys, mabuang na mi. Wow. Perfect, ay nakapalit kong tsinelas. Guys, ano? Perfect, hindi akong outfit. Okay.
Magamay ka nga shoes, Lili. Shoes.
My God, mabuang ako kay we only have 30 minutes na to prepare, no?
3 minutes na lang.
Lagi-lagi ta. Yun po.
Magdala pa
Sabi si
yun.
Bisay ka mong karimay.
Bye.
Magdala pa yun.
Laglag.
Kain tayo. Ang bagong ulan. Pagkalo, pwede.
Chasta. Ang yabi na nani mo. Hi guys, pagkita sa mo. Look at their outfits. So we will be walking. Wow. How to walk? So that's it. Ano lang, tatawid lang ako. Yan na. Hawakan mo lang, na-click na yan.
Okay.
Hi guys, pula kay kog mata kay murag katulgon lagi kay ko kay it's 12 in the Philippines and alas 5:30 pa here. So mo nang pula na kay mata kay kulang kay kog tulog. So I need to beat the jet lag. So mo nang naligo ko and then dapat i-feel daw na ako ang time yun dire para at least mas easy i-adapt. So moto nga, nag-freshen na fresh ba? Nag-chinelas na ko. Gusto ko mag-simple, kaya naka-pedicure na ko. Buta sa og blush on, kaya marag ga-blush ra sila diri. Nice oh. Basta kay katugon lang dyan ko. Makiglaban lang.
Kami kayo magkape.
Ha? Bakit? Hi guys, so we're walking here in the street of
I don't know, they call this a flat street.
Luzerne.
Yeah, this is somewhere in Luzerne, Switzerland, guys.
Holding. Ano lang? The famous church shown in Cloy.
Are you sure?
Yes, I believe so. That one. That new tower.
Like, you can't be giving something that's not factual.
Show them to me. Huh? Show them to me.
That's Miss
Oh
Laika.
my god.
So beautiful.
Oh my god, as you can see.
Look at these cars, guys.
Ang daming sugar daddy dito.
Uy. Look at these cars. Like, these are all amazing, guys.
It's so hot. It's so hot. As you can see here, there is the lake. And there are ducks. The SPA. No,
Sales director.
Walking in Switzerland.
Malik na lang lagi rito luta.
Dapat matuloy lang. Hi guys, so moto. Walking in the streets of Europe, Switzerland. So in the next few days, we will be going to Italy, France, and Monaco. So I believe they just have the same weather. So I will be taking pictures here. So mga gwapa-gwapo gid sila. Like, pildi jud ang beauty ni Alot Bores. Tanggapon na jud na ako. My God, BM said that there is a view here. Oh my God, just this is the... Oh my gosh! Oh my God, diri akong pinakabet mag-ingkod, oh. Oh my God, perfectly perfect!
Dari min edit good picture ha. Ito to kanyo. Ito duha.
Ay, oo, no? Yung tanggalon sa nako. Wala, sorry kayo. Ganito talaga kami. Ay, nabugahe, ginito na. Ha? Mainit ba?
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi.
Once you dip, hindi na mainit.
Bilis siya mag-cool down.
It adjusts to the temperature.
Mag-alas 9 na here in Switzerland at hayag pa siya. Actually, mag-alas 9 na kay 8:50 na and then mag-alas 3 na po sa Philippines. So, gabi nakabilar. Like, bilar na po yung face ko.
Pagod na po kami.
Hello, pero clear? Tsada kayo ang Alps.
Puro ang naasa ka makabalan.
Sa makabalan. Yeah, so it's around... What's the oras? Ilan na oras? Ilan na oras? So actually, ilang mga store naka-open gyapon ang mga suga even though closed na gid sila, no? Like, amo to, pagkakasalo, di ba? Like, wala na to mga abri-abri, anana, sirado. Mo na siya. Like, This is how Switzerland looks during at night. During at night, saan ko ba? O, diba? On, pagkita mga laptop. Like, grabe naman ang, wala sila. Oh, there's a bus. There's a bus. Grabe naman na ilang laptop siya. Naka-on pa siya. Tsada to.